How's it going, everybody? It's Matt and Carissa. We're with the Koch Garpstas Realty Group, and today we're hanging out at 1266 Kinderhook Road, home of our new listing.
Have you been looking for a really unique layout in Manheim Central School District? Then this is the home for you.
This home has been completely remodeled and features 4 beds, 2 full baths, a beautiful sunroom, and so much more.
We can't wait to take you on a tour, so let's go!